Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome back to my channel Maths with Umar. And today in this video we are going to see about the exponents and powers. Okay, so whatever laws of exponents we have studied till now, we are going to use them and solve the given problems. So my dear students, what is given? The concept of solving laws of exponents is whatever is the base, you turn it into prime numbers. Okay, the base you have to change it into prime numbers. Okay, wherever possible, and then use the laws of exponents whichever we have learned till now. So let me explain you. So what is given, my dear students? Let us start with the solution. 5 to the power of 2y equals 25. My dear students, let us see the base. Here it is 5 and here 25. On left hand side 5 is already a prime number. You cannot simplify it. So y to the power of 2y. But 25 I can write it as 5 into 5. Can I write it as 5 square? Yes. Now since bases are equal, bases are equal, powers are also equal. Powers are also equal. Okay. So what are the powers? That implies 2y equals 2. Now how to find out y? We already know, transpose it. Here it is in multiplication. On right hand side it goes and becomes division, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So therefore what is the value of y? It is 1. So now what he is asking, 5 to the power of minus y, that equals 5 to the power of minus, in place of y it is 1. And we already know here what does it know? What is the law of exponent we have studied? A to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. See, whenever in laws of exponents and identities, whenever you use them, you write on the right hand side, you will get more marks. So 5 to the power of minus 1, according to the law of exponent, can I write it as 1 by 5 to the power of 1? So that is equal to 1 by 5. Understood, my dear student? This is the answer. Now find the value of x. Okay, it is cube root of 2x plus 3 equals 5. So let us start the solution with the given expression. Cube root of 2x plus 3 equals 5. So what is the law we have studied in grade 9? Okay, nth root of a, you can write it as a to the power of 1 by n. Is it right? You can write it as a to the power of n by n. If x to the power of n is equal to a, so then x can be written as a to the power of 1 by n. So that means power, when you transpose, what happens? It becomes n 1 by n. Okay. So here you have cube root. Understood? So 2x plus 3, that implies whole to the power of 1 by 3 equals 5. So when you transpose 1 by 3 to other side in power, what happens? 2x plus 3 equals 5 to the power of, it becomes reciprocal, that means 5 cube. So that implies 2x plus 3. What is 5 cube, my dear students? 5 into 5 into 5, 125. That implies, now which one, in order to find x, which one you have to transpose? We have to follow Samdorf. Is it right? While transposing, so you have addition over here and multiplication over here. Which one you have to do? Addition. So transpose plus 3, it becomes 2x is equal to 125 minus 3. That implies 2x is equal to 122. And now x is equal to, that implies x is equal to 122 divided by 2. That equals 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2. So therefore x is equal to 61. I hope everybody understood. See, these questions, while listening from any teacher, they look very easy. But once you start doing, then only you will understand. Then you will feel the heat. Okay. So please practice. Okay. So now you remember the concept, right? What is the concept? Change the base into prime factors. So let us see the solution here. What is given? So what is given? 32 to the power of 2x minus 5 is equal to 4 multiplied by 8 to the power of x minus 5. You write clearly. Powers, you write them clearly on the top. Okay. Don't mix it with bases. So now 32. Here we already know 32. 32 we can write it as 2 to the power of 5. So that implies 2 to the power of 5 whole to the power of 2x minus 5 equals, see 4, how can you write? 4, it is 2 square, we already know. 8, we can write it as 2 cube, and already you have one more. So keep it in bracket and x minus 5. Okay, now what is the concept here? When you have power over power, what is the concept? A to the power of m whole to the power of n. This is called as power over power. You multiply the powers. So that implies 2 to the power of 5 multiplied by 2x minus 5. Whatever I have written, is it right? If you are telling it is right, then you are wrong, because since you have two terms, you have to keep it in bracket. That equals 2 square. Here also the same concept, power over power. Therefore 2 to the power of 3 times x minus 5. That implies 2 to the power of, now multiply 5 into 2x, 10x, minus 5 into 5, 25, equals 2 square multiplied by 2 to the power of 3 into x, 3x, minus 3 into 5, 15. Okay, so on left hand side you have only one term. Okay, 2 to the power of 10x minus 25. So it is understood, that is equal to, now here you have two bases, but we have two equal bases. So what to do with the powers? A to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. Is it you have to add the powers, right? We have studied in grade 7. A to the power of m plus n. So 2 to the power of 2 plus 3x minus 15. So let me write here. This is rough. So that implies 2 to the power of 10x minus 25 equals 2 to the power of 2 minus 15 is minus 13. So 3x minus 13. So what is the step here? Since bases are equal, comma powers are also equal. So equate the powers. 10x minus 25 equals 3x minus 13. Students, I have told you so many times that whenever you have variables on both sides, transpose the variable which is small. So which is smaller here, 10x or 3x? It is good, 3x. So therefore transpose 3x. So what happens here? You have 10x and minus 3x. Now minus 25 you transpose. It will become plus 25. Already you have minus 13. So 10x minus 3x, 7x is equal to 25 minus 13. I think it is 12. So implies x is equal to 12 by 7. Understood, my dear students? So please do it carefully. Okay. Now let us go to the next. Okay. So with this we have finished exponents, the typical problems of exponents and powers. and whatever problems you have in textbooks, they are when compared to this, they are easy concepts, and this is higher level. But anyway, please practice at least these type of questions, those who understood at least this one, second one, and those who can understand, please repeat these two questions also. Okay. And students, please practice, practice, practice. Listening to only videos will not help out. Okay, so please practice. Good boys, take care. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good night, my